Hi, Cheryl here from ENJO. So just a quick video to show you how the ENJO fibres hold and trap all the dirt and bacteria rather than moving it around. So I've got the greasy butter here and I'm just going to show you how powerful these fibres are. So our glove's got two sides. This is for grease and the other stripy side is for grime. But this is just greasy butter. So just with my cold water, it's going to work as a solvent and I'm just going to pick all that butter up. As you can see, there's no butter left there, it's just the water and it's all in that glove. I'm going to take my ENJO and I'm going to dry it so there's no moisture there for bacteria to regrow. As you can see, I'm not needing to over buff, and if you watch for a few seconds you'll see that last bit of water will just evaporate. So there's no streaks, there's nothing to smear or anything, it is just ENJO clean. And then with that same buttery glove, you'll see me here on the glass. Can you hear that squeaky? Literally so squeaky clean because the butter is still trapped in that fibre. Even though we've just cleaned it with that buttery glove, it is sparkling. And then I will show you just now as well how ENJO releases with hot water and traps with cold. So with cold water, you'll see it just store that butter. That's not going anywhere, even though I'm running it under that tap. And then I'll turn my hot tap on. I'm just going to wait a few seconds for it to get warm. And then you'll see the fibres will open and will dump all that greasy butter and all the bacteria. So we are removing bacteria, grease, all these things, rather than trying to kill it. And the way that we do it, that's how it's scientifically proven to get rid of so much more bacteria and dirt and things than any other way of cleaning. Just simply roll it up, squeeze it out, and hang it to air dry so it's good to go the next time. Amazing. Every time.